Question 2a, 8 marks. It always starts the same way. How useful are sources A and B for an inquiry into such and such? This question is asking you to explain how useful two sources are to explaining whatever the inquiry is about. In this case, the effects of a gas attack. I like to imagine that you're trying to explain the inquiry to your younger sibling, and all you have to help you do it are these two sources. How useful are they in helping you explain it? It is not asking you to decide which is more useful. Neither is it asking how reliable or trustworthy it is. So don't write about those things. It's a waste of time. How useful is the source? It's going to be somewhat useful. Just remember nachos. N, nature. What type of source is it? Photograph, government report, diary, etc. A, author. Who made it? C, content. What does the source talk about or show us? H, happening. In other words, does it agree with what you knew was happening then? Or put another way, that doesn't fit with this acronym, talk about your own knowledge. O, omitting. What does this source not tell you? This is where you say it is not as useful as it could be, because no source is. A photo can help us picture something in our heads, but it doesn't help us know if what we're seeing was happening everywhere or only in this image. Finally, S, special reason. Why was the source made? What's the reason it exists? Don't worry too much about the order, just try to remember to cover all the letters in nachos. This question should take about 11 to 12 minutes to write, with another 3 or 4 minutes before that looking at the sources, so about 15 minutes in total. Pause the video and read my answer. See if you can spot the nachos. Remember, the example is only half an answer. I'd need a second paragraph for source B.